The smartphone world never stops evolving, and Samsung has once again raised the bar with the arrival of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a device that doesn't just follow trends, it defines them. With next-gen hardware, cutting-edge display technology, and a focus on privacy and personalization, this phone is Samsung's statement that innovation is alive and well. From super-fast charging and a revolutionary privacy display to next-gen performance and industry-leading cameras, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is designed for power users, professionals, and creators alike. Today on TechVerse, we'll dive deep into the 5 revolutionary features that make the S26 Ultra one of the most advanced smartphones ever built. 1,500-word, one-paragraph script, SEO optimized for voiceover. In the ever-evolving landscape of flagship smartphones, Samsung has once again stepped forward to dominate the conversation with its latest masterpiece, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a phone that redefines what cutting-edge technology should look and feel like in 2025. This device isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a complete reinvention of the Galaxy experience, bringing with it 5 game-changing features that will transform how we use smartphones forever. Let's start with the first and perhaps the most convenient feature, faster charging for less downtime. Samsung has finally answered one of the biggest user demands by upgrading its charging speeds from 45W to a powerful 60W wired fast charging system, ensuring your device powers up in a fraction of the time. Whether you're a busy professional juggling meetings, a gamer deep in marathon sessions, or a content creator constantly on the move, this ultra-fast charging means less waiting and more doing. You can now go from near empty to 70% in under half an hour, which gives you the confidence to take your phone anywhere without worrying about the battery indicator. It's clear that Samsung's focus on user-centered practicality continues to evolve, and this new fast charging tech is proof that convenience and performance can coexist beautifully. Moving on to the second feature, and this one's a visual marvel. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's 6.9-inch M14 QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED display. This screen is a spectacle of engineering brilliance, delivering breathtaking clarity, contrast, and color vibrancy that makes movies, games, and apps pop like never before. However, the real innovation here lies in Samsung's privacy-enhancing display technology, a new layer that limits side-angle visibility. That means when you're typing a password, reviewing confidential work documents, or simply watching a private video, prying eyes won't be able to peek. It's a subtle yet incredibly impactful addition, merging premium display performance with real-world privacy needs. This shows how Samsung isn't just focused on aesthetics. It's thinking about how people use their phones in their daily lives. The third groundbreaking feature is a performance powerhouse under the hood. Depending on your region, the Galaxy S26 Ultra comes equipped with either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600 processor, and both bring blistering speeds and efficiency improvements over previous generations. Backed by up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone can handle intense multitasking, console-level gaming, and high-end video editing without breaking a sweat. In fact, Samsung reports a 25% boost in data transfer speeds, and with a newly expanded vapor cooling system, the S26 Ultra keeps its performance cool and consistent even under heavy workloads. From gaming marathons to professional creative tasks, this phone is engineered to deliver sustained power. And with storage options up to 1 terabyte, users have enough space to store massive files, high-resolution content, and countless apps without worrying about running out of memory. Now, let's talk about what everyone loves the most, the camera system. Which brings us to the fourth feature, cameras that truly capture every detail. The 200MP primary sensor has been completely redesigned, now featuring an f/1.4 aperture that lets in 47% more light, producing incredibly sharp and vibrant shots even in low-light conditions. Night photography get a massive upgrade with cleaner detail, improved dynamic range, and reduced noise levels, all thanks to Samsung's AI-driven imaging engine. The telephoto experience has also been revamped, with a 12MP 3x lens and a 50MP 5x telephoto lens, each equipped with a wider f/2.9 aperture, improving light intake by 38%. Whether you're capturing faraway landscapes or detailed portraits, these lenses deliver pro-grade clarity, color accuracy, and consistency. The integration of AI scene optimization and next-gen optical stabilization ensures every photo and video looks professional straight out of the camera. Samsung has once again proven that when it comes to smartphone photography, the Ultra series remains in a league of its own. But Samsung didn't stop there. Style and personalization have also been taken to a whole new level, introducing the fifth feature, bold new color options. The Galaxy S26 Ultra brings a splash of personality with its premium selection of colors, including an eye-catching vibrant orange variant that stands out from a crowd. Samsung understands that users want their devices to reflect their individuality, and these fresh tones combined with the phone's luxurious matte finish and aluminum frame create an elegant yet futuristic aesthetic. The tactile design and ergonomic curves make it feel just as good in hand as it looks. This phone is a visual statement, powerful, confident, and built to turn heads. Now, when you combine all these features, fast charging, privacy-focused display, unmatched performance, advanced cameras, and bold design, you get a flagship that doesn't just perform well, but truly redefines what a smartphone can be. Samsung has mastered the balance between power, elegance, and functionality, offering a device that caters equally to tech enthusiasts, professionals, and casual users. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just faster or sharper, it's smarter. With integrated AI performance optimization, your device learns your habits, adapts to your usage patterns, and prioritizes the apps and tasks that matter most to you, resulting in an even more intuitive experience. Every element of this phone feels carefully crafted for real-world excellence, from the refined haptic feedback to superior sound output of its AKG-tuned stereo speakers. And let's not forget, with One UI 7.0 built on Android 16, customization reaches new heights, offering smoother animations, smarter widgets, and deeper personalization than ever before. This phone doesn't just evolve, it anticipates. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't merely another premium smartphone. It's the ultimate productivity and creativity companion, bridging the gap between power and purpose. It's a device that doesn't just serve your needs, but elevates them, ensuring that whether you're capturing memories, managing workflows, or gaming on the go, everything happens faster, smoother, and more efficiently. The S26 Ultra is proof that Samsung continues to lead the charge in pushing smartphone boundaries, redefining expectations one innovation at a time. And while its hardware is extraordinary, its attention to real-life usability makes it even more impressive. For those who crave the best, this device represents the future of mobile technology, a blend of design brilliance and engineering mastery. It's sleek, it's intelligent, and it's built to last. In short, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just another flagship. It's a smartphone that changes everything. And as always, for more deep dives into the latest tech breakthroughs, upcoming device comparisons, and in-depth reviews that help you make smarter choices, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse, where we bring future technology to your fingertips every single day. If you're someone who demands the absolute best in speed, photography, and innovation, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a flagship you've been waiting for. Stay subscribed to TechVerse for upcoming comparisons with the iPhone 17 Ultra and Pixel 9 Pro Max, and discover which smartphone truly rules 2025.